Hey everybody, it's Bill Savage with Matt Scott. We're here in Middleburg doing a quick little video for you on some investment scenarios that Scott's more familiar with than I am. And I had a question for Scott that I wanted to ask you. I know zip about annuities. All I know is there's a guy on TV that says don't ever do annuities.
Right.
But I wanted to hear from the expert. What is an annuity, and is it the right type of investment for the majority of people?
Okay. Well, Bill, if you saw it on TV, then it has to be true.
Of course,
right?
Of course, just like the internet.
Just like the internet. Well, you know, you see a lot of stuff on TV, and you see a lot of guys talking about financial products they're recommending on TV. Unfortunately, even if what they're telling you is a bad product, what they're trying to sell you is probably equally as bad or worse. Now, I will agree that annuities are very specific financial vehicles, and you have to be extremely careful when picking an annuity. I will say for the majority of people, majority of the time, they're not what you want. Annuities are not great ways to build assets, to build interest. In fact, most annuities are going to average you about 5% interest. Now, I'm giving you an industry secret right now that other financial advisors, you know, I don't know, I might need armed security after putting this video out, but all annuities, they're fancy, they've got this benefit, that benefit, but after everything hashes out, you're going to average about 5 to 6% interest. Now, that's not bad for someone who is at retirement.
I was going to say, that doesn't sound horrible because you're getting 1 to 2% in a bank.
Exactly. So that's what an annuity is, what I call a CD buster. Okay, so instead of going to a bank and locking your money up in a CD where you're getting 2 or 3% interest and you can't touch it for a while, in an annuity you can make 5 or 6. Now, it has some added benefits. First of all, a lot of annuities have an income for life rider. So if you put money in that annuity and you turn on payments, and that's what it's for. Annuity is not a place to put a chunk of money in, let it earn interest, and pull a chunk of money out. If you want to do that, do not buy an annuity, okay? But if you're getting up there in age, you know, someone older than you, obviously. Obviously. You're getting up there in age and you want a guaranteed income for life. That's what an annuity does. It takes a large chunk of money and it turns it into an income stream every month for you, kind of like Social Security. Okay. Now, this income for life rider that I talked about, when your money eventually runs out, because eventually it will, all the interest it earns goes straight to your paycheck. So you get raises throughout your retirement, which is pretty cool. Eventually your money's going to run out. If you buy the income for life rider, whatever your monthly check is, when your lump sum runs out, that amount is guaranteed for life. You'll get that check the rest of your life.
That doesn't sound too bad.
Not bad. And in a good annuity, whatever is left of your principal, if you pass away, that chunk, that lump sum will be given to a beneficiary. Okay, so here would be my recommendation on annuities. Use mutual funds in like an IRA or something like that to build your nest egg, because you can average more like 10, 12, 13% interest there.
Really?
Okay, yep. There's going to be some ups and downs in the market, but if you've got 10, 20, 30 years till retirement, that's not a problem. Now, once you get to retirement and you're ready to live and have a good life and you want that income stream, then put that money into an annuity.
That makes sense.
Yep.
That makes sense.
It's like everything, you know, nothing is one size fits all. So anytime someone comes on TV or in person and says, hey, everybody needs this, beware, because it's just not normally the case in finances.
Well, Scott, I appreciate that. I know a little bit about annuities now, whereas before, what's an annuity? I had no clue.
You now know more than most people who sell them, unfortunately.
Well, listen, guys, we hope this information is of value to you. Again, I'm Bill Savage. This is Scott.
Matt Scott.
So Matt Scott.
It happens all the time.
Sorry I did that. But, hey, we're not perfect, all right?
That's right.
But at any rate, this is the man you want to talk to for investment information. There's some contact down below here on the screen somewhere on the YouTube video, but feel free to contact him anytime you like. I trust him, and I think you will too. Okay? So thanks again, folks, and we'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.